Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make with a bot, a Python program, my first Python program, with its goal to get some passive income by doing automatic trading on the Nasdaq. And in my daily report, I'll let you guys know how the bot did and what I changed in the code and how we did on the market. And as usual, we start with looking at the code and the changes in the code. This is the code. And there were no changes in the code. I know, I told you guys yesterday. We were running for an entire week and we just want to see how we do. And if everything looks right, then I'm not going to change anything on the code. So if you look at the code, you see there are no changes and that there are still a lot of information down here with the scaled ATR and the lost chain, etc. All those printouts will be deleted somewhere this weekend, but I did not change anything in the code for today. So let's go from the code to the bot. And if we look at the bot, we see the bot has today a negative profit of 18 or almost 19 euros. I think almost exact opposite of the profit of yesterday. And I was looking at the bot today, and I will show you when we're talking about the profits of today, or the losses, because it's 18.5 euros losses. But then I can explain what I see and if there is something wrong with the code. I'm not sure. So this is the bot, and the bot did what it should do. So no problems there. So let's go to the market and the profits. And if we go to the market, we see the market is close. So we had, again, a slow market day. There were some ups, and what you have done, this one was a very nice one. It was from all over because I checked it. Apple and Microsoft and Nvidia, Amazon, all the big guys all had at the same moment enormous buy-in. So some big hedge fund company has bought in a lot of shares of all the bigger numbers on the Nasdaq. So that's what we saw here, and the bot did not pick it up because this is the only one, and this happened in 5 minutes, and the biggest one in 1 minute. So the bot did not pick this up because in front of it was easy, was slow. So the MACD would not react to this, and then the bot wouldn't react to it at all. But from that on, it was a slowing going up. As you see, we're going up, up, and up, but all with low number, low candles, slow candles. And the bot did not pick it up because it was a slow market. Then we see right here, and when we look here, we have a down and an up in 5 minutes. So 1 minute down and another minute up. So this one also did not get picked up by the bot. And so we had a slow market. And yet we had a slow market almost entire day. And if we look at the reports, you see that at the reports there were still some minor losses, but 9:15, 20 to 10, positions opened that the bot recognized the market as being normal. So I was wondering, why is this normal when I don't see anything special? And even around this time, you see, even if I go bigger, these are not enough. Candle height is not enough. The difference is not enough to generate and to say we have a normal market. So that was strange this morning when I saw the bar do this, but I didn't pay any further attention. I didn't went in the code and checked in it, and I did not do this. I just want to wait it, and it looks strange. And if you look at the reports, there's only minor losses. So yeah, minor. This one is almost €10. This is the biggest one of today with a loss. And then again, there is 175 positive also on a normal market. I didn't see a normal market. And then around €11:30, also €7 loss, almost €8 loss, again on a normal market. But I could not see. And if you look with me, this entire range, what we're talking about, except this candle, but this entire range from, let's make it bigger, from 10 that we started again, and until 12. Now let's take this range from 10 to 12. Nothing was going on. It was a slow market, and yet the bot opened 3 positions, and yeah, okay, we had some losses, but that was strange. So I will take a look at it if it's necessary. I will find out why he did it, but for the rest of the day, it was a slow market, and even these candles looking better than the candles in the morning. And he did not open any positions on these candles because all these candles are also on a slow market. So that was strange, but not strange enough to say for me, okay, we kill the bot, we dive in the code, and we're gonna. No, let's see what we do and what we did. And then tomorrow is a new day. And then let's see how we gonna do it then. And then I think we are done again. It's a short one. Of course it's a short one. There's nothing changed in the code. We're testing. The bot is working nicely, and the profits or the losses, the market and the report of the market were not mentionable because we had a slow market all day, which means that we have a short version of the daily report. But that's why we have the daily report. And then all I have is I hope that you like the video. And if you do, please press like. And if you want to see more of these videos and want to keep on following my progress on this bot and how we're doing on the market, because it seems like the bot is ready, then subscribe, and you get a daily report in your mail. If you want to see more about the bot, or you have questions about the bot, or you have questions about the market, there is a Discord server. I will leave the link in the description. There you can ask me questions, talk about the bot, and talk about other ones within the community. We've got a rather large group now in the Discord server. So if you want to know something, we'll see you there. And there is a Twitch channel in which I show daily the bot with the market, so you can see what's going on. You can see how the bot reacts to certain positions in the market. And if you want to, you can copy the actions that the bot do. Or if you think, well, the bot did something, but I'm not going to do this, fine with me. But if you want to see it on the Twitch, you need the Twitch channel information. And that one is also in the description. And feel free to leave a comment. I'm all in. Just leave a comment if you have to say something about the bot or about the project. Let me know. I respond to all the comments. And if you want to support me, of course, there is a Patreon account also for if you want to support me. But I don't expect anyone to actually do it. What's left to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.